RSS and the BJP supporters actually went to the Supreme Court and they said the words secular and socialism must be removed because they don't believe in it. That's not their ideology. They are openly telling the people of India, we are not secular. We are communal. We spread religious hate. They are publicly admitting that. When Colonel Sophia Qureshi, the decorated war hero of our country during Operation Sindoor, when she got trolled by the vulgar, abusive right-wing ecosystem, will they spare anybody else? Love jihad, ghar wapsi, mob lynching in India of Muslims is now no longer a news item.
Well, Navika ji, what my dear friend Sanjay Jha is saying, that when Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister, India was not secular as per his logic, because initial constitution is something which he did not believe in. Let me quote the great Nani Palkiwala, what was his viewpoint on the Congress party imposing emergency, because that was when the constitution was murdered. The emergency had defaced and defied the constitution. The judiciary was terrorized, the press strangled, the voice of the common man muffled, and the dissenters jailed without trial. This is precisely when the Constitution of India was murdered, free speech taken, and the Congress party had done it. 71% time the Congress party has altered the Constitution of Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar. This is how hypocritical they are. He was speaking about secularism, and Colonel Sophia Qureshi, Taj Mohammad, the parent of Colonel Sophia Qureshi, says, and I quote, "We want to thank Prime Minister Narendra Modi because he genuinely recognized and greeted us and gave the all respect to us and our family." Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar on 15th November 1948, and I quote, "It is the state should not have a mechanism whereby particular members of particular parties decide the policy of the state. According to time and circumstances, the policy of the state will evolve." This is Dr. Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar saying. The Congress party is the party which wanted to get a super judicial council which will oversee the judiciary and will be governed by the Indian government headed by Indira Gandhi. And Sanjay, you should be the last person to speak about the constitution because you wanted to get a one-party rule under Indira Gandhi being the president for life beyond checks and balances.
Navika ji, this is an open secret that BJP is not comfortable with the constitution.
No, we love the constitution. We are for the constitution of India.
Speak, don't interrupt him.
No, he's just
never. You always let.
Sir, you are lying.
Please.
We are the people who have respected Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar. We were the people whose government supported and gave Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar the Bharat Ratna. Please do not make an individual comment on my party, which is factually baseless.
This mindset.
Excuse me, Professor Anwar Pasha. The constitution was not even applicable in Jammu and Kashmir. Through Article 370 abrogation, it is the BJP government that brought the constitution to Jammu and Kashmir. May I just correct you on the facts there?